Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I try to download the Instagram mobile app via iPhone's App Store and long time it starts to loading, but after the few seconds this loading process is also stopped, which means that this Instagram app is not downloading. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all check your Wi-Fi router indicators if all the lights are glow with green color or not. So if maybe it shows any red color signal problem with your fiber cable, so just check it, and this is for Wi-Fi users. At same time, if you use the mobile data network, just open your settings menu and go to mobile data. So here I try to access mobile data options and enable this data roaming, but you can disable this low data mode and go back to the settings main menu. So next you can locate App Store and click to open it and slightly scroll down. So here I try to access app downloads and select always allow and close all the windows. So next you can open App Store and press this profile picture icon and scroll down. So now I try to sign out my Apple ID and close all the windows and one time restart your iPhone. So after the restarting process is completed, and one more time I try to access that App Store and press this profile picture icon, and it asks for the sign in process, so just complete it. So now my account is successfully logged in with this iPhone, and then I try to download that same Instagram mobile app. But friends, now this time you can see this app is now starts to downloading and it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.